Hi peeps, dit is Jenny van Disrupt Tutoring en soos altyd is dit 'n plesier om by julle aan te sluit. Vandag gaan ons 'n laaste sin doen waar ons sinne moet verbind deur met die voegwoord te begin. We're going to do our last example of joining sentences starting with a conjunction of group 3. Kom ons kyk na die sin. Hy slaan die rekord. Hy het 'n sportbees by die universiteit gekry. Kom ons begin met die werkwoord. Slaan, het gekry. He broke the record. He got a sport bursary from the university. Nou begin ons met nadat, wat groep 3 is. We start with nadat in group 3. Maar is 'n baie belangrike reël wat jy nou moet onthou. There's a very important rule to now remember. The sentence after nadat must be in the past tense, and it must be the first thing that had happened in the past. So let's look at my sentence. He broke the record. He got a university bursary. We have to say, after he had broken the record, he got the sports bursary. So let's go. So we have to put the verbs to the end, but we need to change the sentence to past tense. Nadat hy die rekord. Now remember, it always comes last. Geslaan het, comma, and in the second sentence the verb comes first. Het hy 'n sportbeurs by die universiteit gekry. Start with nadat, group 3. Verbs to the end of the sentence, but the verb after nadat has to be past tense and het always comes last. In the second sentence, the verb comes first and the other verb is at the end. Always remember to check your meaning when you are finished joining sentences. Voordat ek afsluit, wil ek net baie dankie sê aan ons Epic Borgmaatskappy wat hierdie video moontlik gemaak het. Lees alles oor hulle in die beskrywing hieronder. Onthou om ons webtuiste te besoek vir meer van hierdie Epic studieklas video's. As jy nie die antwoord op jou vraag kan vind nie, stuur vir ons die vraag en ons sal antwoord met 'n persoonlike video net vir jou. Tot volgende keer, bly epic!